Hello, I'm Dr. Oscar Holmes IV of Rutgers University. The PhD project has made a huge difference in my career and in my life, and so I give back. Today, I ask you to do the same. The PhD project has been instrumental in the completion of my PhD program. I was in a unique situation where my first PhD program was not the right fit for me. Because of the network of peers that I developed through the PhD project, I was connected with great scholars at other universities who facilitated my transfer into a superb PhD program. I am now Dr. Holmes because of the PhD project. The PhD project has helped me in so many ways, and I know I'm not the only one. When the PhD project began, there were fewer than 60 minority management professors in the entire United States. Now it's 401 and counting. That's progress. The PhD project has made it happen for dozens of us in the management professorate. The cost of running the November conference and of bringing you to the DSA and Academy of Management meetings keeps rising. Corporate funding alone can't cover the full cost of running the PhD project. The PhD project has supported you on your journey in countless ways. Now is the time to say thank you by making a donation to the program to help you achieve the success you now enjoy, the PhD project.
I completed my doctoral degree in 1972. The PhD project started in 1994. I am benefiting indirectly in terms of the colleagues that I have and the camaraderie that I have with both the doctoral students and faculty members who have gone through the program and are now on faculties around the country. So I believe it's important for us to step up to the plate and make a contribution or pledge to the PhD project.
This is a program where you can see the impact of the money that you contribute. You can give online or by check, but please give what you can. The PhD project has always been there when you needed it. Now we need you. Thank you.